हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हम स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं इलस्ट्रेशन 48 सीएमए इंटरमीडिएट सर्विस कॉस्टिंग का इलस्ट्रेशन है। हम इसको शुरू करते हैं, ठीक है ना बेटा। चलिए प्लीज आप क्वेश्चन पढ़ेंगे। आप इलस्ट्रेशन 48, तो इस इलस्ट्रेशन में क्या है, इसको बहुत अच्छे से आप समझने की कोशिश कीजिए। यहाँ पे इलस्ट्रेशन 48, मिस्टर सोहन सिंह हैज स्टार्टेड अ ट्रांसपोर्ट बिजनेस द फ्लीट ऑफ 10 टैक्सीज। उन्होंने कितना टैक्सी लिया? 10 टैक्सीज लिया, ठीक है ना। The various expenses incurred by the given these are expenses. Cost of taxi is now 75,000. Salary of office staff rupees 1500 per month. Salary of garage and this. So this is office staff salary is rupees 1500 per month. This is not for one taxi. Office staff works for all the 10 taxis. So this is a cost for the 10 taxis. Similarly, salaries of garage supervisor, it is also garage supervisor is also works for the 10 taxis. So this is a cost for the 10 taxis. Rent of garage is rupees 1000 per month. This is also for the 10. So this is a for 10 taxis, this is a for 10 taxis, this is a for the 10 taxis. Now the driver salary per taxi is given here rupees 400, rupees 400. So per month for 10 taxi, per taxi, this is a written per taxi. For 10 taxis, how much it would be? It would be 400 into 10, that equal to 4000 per month. This is a for 10 taxis. Road taxes, repair and per taxis per annum. This is a written per annum. This is a per taxi is written. Okay, so per annum it is written, but we are, these all costs are in month. That's why we have to change this cost in month. In month, how will you change this cost in month? Look at here, 2160. This is the for one. This is for 1 year, divided by 12. This is come for 1 month, this is come for 1 month, but this is a per taxi. This is a cost, road taxes per taxes. So for taxes cost you have to change, in 10, because of this is the 10 taxes the employer has. Okay, so now you will multiply by 10. The insurance premier 4% of cost per annum, insurance premium, this is the 4%. So how will you calculate this? The 4% of 75,000, because of cost of each taxi is 75,000, and this is the cost for per month, that's why it is divided by 12 to get per annum. This is a cost for per annum, this is a cost for per annum, per annum. The divided by 12 you will get for 1 month, you will get for 1 month. Okay, now the this is the cost for one taxi, this is a cost for one taxi, that way this is the cost for one taxi, insurance cost for one taxi, but we have 10 taxis, that's why we have to multiply by 10, we have to multiply by 10. The in this way the cost will incurred, cost will come. Okay, so now you have to write here the cost 1500, that is the standing cost, that is the rupees 1500 cost per month, cost per month 1500. This is your 2000, this is your 1000, this is 1500, this is a 2000, this is your 1000. Okay, driver salary, this is your 4000. And now this road taxes will be how much? It is calculated like this: 2160 divide 12 into 10, that equal to 1800, that equal to 1800. Now insurance 75,000.04 divide 12 into 10, that is a 2500. This is for 2500. Now all standing charges will calculate like this. Then how much it? 2500 plus 1800 plus 4000 plus 1000 plus 2000 plus 1500. So this is 12,800. 12,800 cost is calculated like this. Okay, this is the cost for 1 month. Now we are going to study the further. The life of the taxis is 3 lakhs kilometer, and at the end of the which it is estimated to be sold 15,000. Okay, it means 75,000 cost. You will receive the scrap value 15,000. It means depreciation is happens 60,000. So in whole life depreciation is a 60,000. In whole life depreciation is 6,000. So depreciation per kilometer, how it is calculated? 60,000 depreciation for whole life. Depreciation for whole life 60,000, and whole life kilometer. The running taxi kilometer, what? The life of the taxi is the 300 kilometer. That this is your 3 lakhs kilometer. One taxi run on 3 lakhs kilometer. Then it is calculated by 60,000 divided by 3 lakhs, that equal to rupees 0.20 per kilometer. Okay, that this is a 3 lakhs. Thereafter, on average 4,000 kilometer per month, running of the taxi average 4,000 kilometer per month. 20% run empty, 20% empty runs, 20% runs without any passengers, Petrol consumption 9 kilometer per liter, rupees 6.30. Petrol खर्च should be 6.30, and oil and expenditure, this is a rupees 10 per 100 kilometer. Now it is clear. Now I am going to do the questions. Okay, calculation of total cost. Now calculation of total standing charges. Standing charges. Just you write, see here, salary of officer staff. Salary of office staff, rupees 1500. Salary of garage supervisor. Salary of garage supervisors. This is salary is 2000. Now rent of garage. Rent of garage is 1000. Now driver salary 400 per month per driver. There are 10 taxes, that is a 4,000. Okay, after this, road tax repair per taxi. Road taxes and repair per taxi. Road tax and repairs. Look at here. Look at in this case. Per taxi 2160 per annum, and these all costs are in months, and we have to calculate in months. That's why. So 2160 divided by 12 into 10. For 10 taxis we are going to calculate. That is 1800. 1800. Now insurance. Insurance. I'm going to take the cost of one taxis, that equal to 4%. So this is a 4% per annum. The per annum, this is a per annum. Per annum. If you want to bring it in months, then you have to divide 12, because in 1 month there are 12 months. 12 months. And this is for one taxi, because the cost is 75,000 is taken for one taxi. So this is for one taxi, but we have to calculate cost for 10 taxis. That's why you will multiply by 10. Then you will get 2500. Total standing cost per month. Total standing cost per month. Fixed cost per month is how much? 1500 plus 2000 plus 1000 plus 5800 plus 2500, 12800. This is a cost for 1 month. This is a cost for 1 month, or 1 month running 4000 kilometer in 1 month. Then standing means fixed charges per kilometer, 12,800 divided by 4,000. How the 4,000 running? Running is given here 4,000. This is a 4,000 kilometer per month. 4,000 kilometer per month. A taxi runs on average 4,000 kilometer per month. Average 4,000 per runs. Taxi runs average 4,000 kilometer per month. So that's why this is the cost, and this is calculated as divided by, this is the cost for this 12,800. Okay, this is the cost. Now okay, so this is a run or taxi, but we have 10 taxis. This is a cost for the 10 taxis. 10 taxis. This is a cost 0.32. This is a cost for 10 taxis. This is a running time for one taxi, running 4 kilometer in 1 month per taxi. This is the per taxis. Now this is a cost for 10 taxis, but this is a cost for 10 taxis. This is the running time for one taxi. That's why we are going to divide by 10. After dividing 12,800 by 10, you will find the cost of one taxi. You will find the cost of one taxi. Okay. Now, calculation of total cost per kilometer. Cost per kilometer. Standing charges we have. Per kilometer 0.32. Depreciation 75,000 rupees is the cost for one taxi. 1,500 we can sell, and this runs in 3 lakh kilometer. तो 60,000 divided by 3 lakh 0.20. Now this is already calculated here. Okay. Now petrol consumptions. Petrol consumption. Petrol consumption rupees 6 point. Look at it. What is it? Rupees 6.30 petrol consumption. Rupees 6.30 petrol consumption for 9 kilometer. For 9 kilometer. For 9 kilometer. 6 point. Look at here. Question is written here. 6.30 per liter. Per liter. And out in this cost, taxi runs 9 kilometer. You can calculate rupees 6. This is a 9 kilometer. So for 1 kilometer 6.30. 6.3 divided by 9, you will get 0.7. Now the cost, other cost is also given IL. Look at IL and other sundry expenses amount rupees 10 for 100 kilometer. 10 for 100 kilometer. IL and sundry expenses rupees 10 for 100 kilometer. Then it will be rupees 0.10. Rupees 0.10. Total cost per kilometer. आपको what will be the cost per kilometer? That is 1.32. 1.32. But in the question it is said 20% of distance runs by taxi empty. 20% distance run by the empty. It means what? It means effective cost. What will be? Effective cost. Effective cost per kilometer. What is the effective cost per kilometer? Rupees 1.32. This is the cost incurred for 80% only. This is the for 80% only, because 80% revenue will also only come. 80% revenue will only come. So for 80% revenue 1.32, then 100% revenue what? So that equal to, in other way, for 80% revenue cost rupees 1.32. 100% revenue, what will be the cost? Effective cost 1.32 divided by 80% into 100%, that equal to 1.65. 1.65. This is the cost. It is calculated like this. This is effective cost per kilometer. That was asking in your questions. It is calculate. Here you are doing calculate the effective cost of running taxi per kilometer. Effective cost of running taxi per kilometer. Now the question is, this is the effective cost for 100 kilometer revenue. If the higher charges rupees 1.80 per kilometer, find out the profit of the Saran may expected to make in the first year of the operation. Profit in the first year. So you have to find calculation of profit per year. Now running kilometer. Please calculate. 4,000 kilometer runs in 1 month. 12 months, there are 12 months, there are 10 taxes, but only 80% 80% running time. There is a passenger of 80% running time. Only 80% time is runs with a passenger. Remaining 20% it is a vacant. It is a vacant. तो 20% इज अ वैकेंट. 20% वैकेंट है आपका, तो कितना हो जाएगा बताइए आप. तो 4000 इंटू 12 इंटू 10 इंटू दैट इक्वल टू 80% इंटू 0.8, 3,84,000. 3,84,000. Now profit per kilometer, 1.80 you are going to charge. 1.65 is the cost. 0.15. Profit, total profit per year 3,84,000 kilometer it runs, and each kilometer it has a profit this 57,600. This is the profit for per year. This is a profit for per year. It is required to calculate. Okay, now look at the answer of this. You have to follow this format. As per the study material. This is the cost 1.65. This is calculated like this. Profit for the year 57,600. Okay, the class is completed. Next classes I will start in next class. Okay, thank you class.